May I now invite our next presenter, Miroslav BALAZ, Nanyang Technological University, for breaking the wall of children bullying detection.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to introduce you to our project called ADA. Nowadays, almost every fifth child is facing bullying at the school. I'm talking about child in the primary school age. It's true that many try to talk about this issue with their parents, teachers, or the other students in order to solve this, but still a lot of them remain silent about their problems, what means nothing is done in order to solve this. What is more, many of the parents are really busy nowadays because of their work, the other things they need to do, and so the interactions with their children are pretty limited. As a result of that, the mental health of a child can be affected also in its adulthood, what can lead to serious mental issues such as depression. And we all know what can depression lead to. In our team, we said to ourselves, we want to fight against this thing. How? With a thing almost everybody has in the developed world, with a smartphone. We decided to develop a smartphone app, which will contain many games, and children will be asked to kind of like solve some small issues in the games and answer some small questions. These questions will be prepared with the help of professional doctors, and so every output of the child can say a little bit about the child's mental stance to us. We will then process the data through our already developed AI engine, which can say if there is a potential risk of the child being bullied or having any mental issue. This data, after being analyzed, will be transferred to another twin smartphone app, which will be held in the smartphone of the parent. Meaning a parent will have enough information about his child in the smartphone at any time. What is actually the added value of this? The added value is that basically many children keep it silent and parents would not know about some problems happening, and through this app the child doesn't know it's being analyzed. Actually, it just plays a game, and the game analyzes if there is some potential problem which should be solved in order to avoid serious circumstances in the future. What is more, a parent can stay at home, can enjoy the time, doesn't have to go to doctors, so it really offers convenience. And of course, this solution is pretty scalable in most of the developed countries as many people have the smartphones. So this is basically it. Thank you for your attention.
Have you tested this with any children yet?
Excuse me, please.
Have you tested it with any children yet?
We haven't tested it yet. We are still waiting for the funding because we need to, the algorithm is already done, but we need to develop the games. That's the problem at the moment. Yes, please.
Explain to that algorithm.
The thing is that the child gives us answers. Out of these answers...
I'm sorry. The time is up. Thank you, Mr. Miroslav.